Here's the crazy truth. About 90% of businesses that try AI fail to see any real results. They waste money, time, and energy, and they end up saying that AI doesn't work for us. But the truth is that AI doesn't exactly work for them. It's more of they are using AI wrongly. Hi, my name is Grace. I am an AI consultant and strategist. I help businesses grow and scale with AI by building AI solutions that help their businesses grow. So let's get into it. Let's start with why most businesses fail when it comes to AI. I've seen it all the time. I've heard people talk about it, and it comes out to these 4 main reasons. Number 1, shiny object syndrome. Business owners, everybody's chasing the latest AI trend. They want to use all the AI tools that are available in this world, subscription to 10 tools, but none of those tools is actually solving their business problem. They don't even know what those tools can actually do for them before even paying for them. So they chase trend, they chase tools without exactly knowing what is right for their business. So they don't have a plan. There is just curiosity and hype. That's number 1 reason why most businesses fail when it comes to AI. Shiny object syndrome. Number 2 reason is that they don't have a clear ROI or use case. They say things like, we want AI to boost sales, but there's no clear metrics or goals. And one thing you need to know is that AI works effectively when it is tied to something measurable. Example is like saving time, reducing error, driving revenue. So when you are able to set a clear goal with clear metrics, you get a better result when it comes to AI adoption in your business. And that alone will also help you to know, because by setting a clear use case or clear metrics, it's also able to know the right tool or the right AI use case that you need to solve that problem in your business. So not having a clear ROI or use case is one of the reasons that people fail, that most businesses fail when it comes to AI adoption. The number 3 reason is poor team adoption and training. Even if there is a right tool in place, even if you have the right AI use case for your business, your team needs to know how to use AI effectively. I know most people are like, oh, they know how to use ChatGPT, but that is not the only AI that exists in the world, and that is not even using AI effectively. A lot of people just use AI as chatbots. If you check one of my videos, I mentioned different ways you can use AI, and most people, even team members, don't know how to use AI as delegates or as companions or as a teammate. And if they don't know how to use that, like if they just use AI as a chatbot or as a microtasker, then adopting AI in your business with those kind of team members will definitely fail. So people also resist change. They find AI too complex, but it's fine. It's fine. It's not everybody that is technical, but even if you find yourself in that situation, it's only right that you consult people that understand how to use AI and can come train your team or your organization as a whole on AI adoption and how to use AI in different ways for the business growth and also for the benefit of the business as a whole. Then the last reason, which I've seen happen many times, is lack of automation and integration. I would say lack of AI integration. Like I mentioned in the last point, a lot of people use AI as a standalone gadget. Oh, let me use Midjourney. Oh, let me use ChatGPT. Oh, let me use this. Or let me use that. Which in itself is not bad, but integrating AI in your business is another level of using AI to scale, and which in turn can help your business grow. So when nothing connects to your system when it comes to AI, no automation, no data flow, no results. So one way they are doing it right is by having AI automation work for them, AI agents work for them, AI solutions that can actually help them scale even without hiring more people. And that is what some small business owners and even medium-sized business owners need to understand. You don't just use AI as a standalone gadget, you also use it as a solution in your business. So does any of these reasons sound familiar to you? Don't worry, they are fixable, and that is what I'll be talking about next. How do you implement AI so that it doesn't fail? Some businesses, like I said, go ahead with just the AI trend and think that is what they need for their business. No, the first step is actually to understand your processes. Auditing and strategy is the first step to not failing when it comes to AI. Do you know where you need AI? Do you know how you need AI? Do you know when you need AI? Because these questions are very important. Some businesses might not need AI now. It might be in the next 2 months. Some people need it like urgently right now, but they don't even know where they need it. They don't know what they can use AI to do in their business. So auditing and strategy is the way to go. And it's understandable if you can't do this by yourself. That's why AI consultants and strategy like me exist. We go through your processes, we understand the time leaks, you understand where your money is being wasted and where time is being wasted, and then we also understand where AI can come in. The goal is to find high impact areas and not just to replace all tasks with AI. So auditing and strategy is very important. Then another way you can fix this is also custom AI automation. I mentioned custom AI automations because some people go with general AI automations. Maybe you see that this is working for a business and you think it can also work for your business. No. Having custom AI automation actually starts from auditing and strategy, understanding your processes, what you need to do and all of those things. The next step is building automation custom to your business. And then the next step is to upskill your team, the tech team that needs to know how to use AI in more of a higher level kind of way. They also need to know how to use AI more than a microtasker, but also as a teammate, also as a companion, and also as a delegate. Though I understand that it can be more technical when it moves higher the rank, like using AI as a delegate. Training your team to use AI as a teammate, not just as a microtasker, will help the business to go a long way. And that way, they're able to come together to help the business grow with AI. And then the last step is tracking and optimization. At my tech agency, this is also what we help businesses do. So we track what is working, what worked, what didn't work, so that your result keeps compounding and we know where there are lapses, what needs to be updated, what needs not to be updated, and what needs to be done, either to build new things, new agent, new automations, or to just update the already existing automations. So that is the difference between just using AI and actually profiting from AI. So here is a quick example. We built a customer support system for an organization to help them respond to 80% of questions and send the complex one to the team. That way, they have an AI system that responds to customers 24/7, and the team can actually have more time in their hands to do more things for the business. And that way, 20 hours saved every week, and sales went up by 25% in the first month. That is the power of AI when it is used right and when it is used efficiently. So with that AI system, their customer got faster response, which in turn increased their revenue, because the more they are able to respond to customers, the more customers stay and the more they purchase from them, right? So that is the importance of using AI in your business. And using every step that I've mentioned in this video will help you go in the right direction and not just do trial and error when it comes to AI for your business growth. If you're unsure where AI can come in your business or where to even start from when it comes to using AI in your business, or you don't even know how you can build automation or agents for your business, don't worry. You can book a free AI discovery call with me with the link in the description below, and I'll be on that call to discuss your business needs with you. And if you are not ready yet, don't worry. You can just grab my free list of tasks you can start automating today in your business. Use the link in the description to also get that. If this video has helped you, hit the like button, share, and subscribe to this channel as I drop videos on AI, AI agents, AI automation, and technology as a whole for your professional life and for your business. See you in my next video.